Hello, dear student. Welcome to another video in Applied Linguistics. In today's lesson, we will be talking about sociocultural theory. This theory was proposed by Vygotsky in 1987. As its name suggests, sociocultural theory attempts to link human mental processes to their cultural, historical, and institutional settings. According to this theory, learning is first social and then individual. Okay, so this theory was proposed by Vygotsky, and it stresses the idea that learning first is social and then individual. Okay, so through dialogue or communication, learners construct knowledge, and this knowledge is later internalized. So in this theory, emphasis is laid on the integration of the social and cultural elements. The key contribution of sociocultural theory is that it combines the social context with individual acquisition. In other words, you do not become an L1 native speaker on your own. You need others, okay, adults, for example, participation to negotiate through the zone of proximal development, or what is called ZPD. ZPD basically means the distance between what a learner can do with help or without help and what they can do with the support from someone with more knowledge or experience. Okay, let's go back. So the idea of this theory is that learning is first social. So at the beginning, you need, if you want to learn a language, or when a child learns a language, they need an interference of someone, an adult, to help them. Okay, for example, to give them the skills of something, provide them with the skills. And once they know the skills, learning becomes individual. So the children rely on themselves to learn something, language or any skill. Okay, but this learning, when a child, for example, uses what he knows about language, for example, to solve something, okay, at a certain point they reach what is called ZPD. So they no longer can solve the problem on their own or learn on their own. Okay, so they need they need someone to intervene and help them again to continue learning. Okay, so that's ZPD. It is, as you can see in the picture, it is the difference, okay, or the distance between what a learner can do without help, okay, and what they can do with the support of someone with more knowledge, an adult with more expertise, okay. So Vygotsky argues that a child gets involved in a dialogue with a more knowledgeable other, as such as a peer or an adult, and gradually, through social interaction, develops the ability to solve problems independently and do certain tasks without help. Okay, so for Vygotsky, as we have as we have said in the beginning, the adult or a learner needs the help of someone knowledgeable. Okay, an adult with more knowledge to help the child, and then gradually the child develops the ability to solve problems on their own. Okay, so following Vygotsky, some educators believe that the role of education is to give children experiences that are within their zone of proximal development, that is within their ZPD, okay, what they can do without the help of an adult, okay, thereby encouraging and advancing their individual learning, okay. The ZPD concept is seen as scaffolding, a term developed by Brunner to refer to a process through which a teacher or more competent peer helps a student in their ZPD. So scaffolding is another term that is used in this sociocultural theory, which of course Brunner developed to refer to a process through which a teacher gives help to a learner, okay, provides uh, more assistance to the learner within their ZPD. So scaffolding refers to the help or guidance received from an adult or more competent peer to permit the child to work within the ZPD. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you very much.